Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use promo codes in Polybuzz AI. Alright, so let's begin with the video. You can do this either on the website or inside the app, but using the app is usually more convenient. Start by opening the app and logging into the account where you want to apply the promo code. Once you're inside, go to your profile in the bottom right corner. Once here, tap on Settings icon at the top right corner, which will take you to your settings. In the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Promo Code, usually found just below your account details. Tap on it to continue. On this page, you may see some existing features or plan options, but what you need to focus on is the option that allows you to enter a promo code. Tap on the field that says something like Enter Promo Code. Now, type in your promo code carefully and press Confirm or OK. Once submitted, the code should be applied to your account, and you'll be able to use any benefits it provides. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use promo codes in Polybuzz AI. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.